What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create and share an Amazon wishlist. First, head over to amazon.com. Ensure you're logged into your account, as you'll need access to your account features to create a wishlist. Once logged in, look for the greeting that says "Hello" followed by your name in the top right corner of the Amazon homepage. Here, you'll find the option to create a list. Click on it. If it's your first time creating a list, the process is straightforward. Click on the Create a List button again, and when prompted, choose Wishlist as the type of list you want to create. Name your wishlist something memorable and personal. For instance, my wishlist. Now, with your wishlist created, it's time to adjust its settings for privacy and sharing purposes. Go to More and select Manage List. Here, change the list's privacy setting to Public, and then navigate to the Shipping Address section. You'll have to select your address to enable friends to send gifts directly to you. However, and this is crucial, ensure the option Share my shipping address with third-party sellers is unchecked. This setting ensures that only Amazon directly has access to your address and not the public or third-party sellers. You'll also see options like Don't Spoil My Surprises, which hides items purchased from your view to keep gifts a surprise, and Let Buyers Ship additional items if you're open to receiving extra items not listed in your wish list. After setting up your list, adding items is your next step. Search for any item you wish to add. On the product page, you see an Add to List button. Click on it and select your wish list. Repeat this process for all items you desire. Now, the last step is to share your wish list with others. Amazon makes it easy with the Send List to Others feature. For privacy and control, choose the View Only option when sharing. This generates a shareable link, which you can copy and distribute to friends and family through any means you prefer, such as social media, email, or direct messaging. By following these steps, you've not only created a public Amazon wishlist, but you also ensured your shipping address remains private to those purchasing gifts for you. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.